Alright, welcome back everyone. We have a new vehicle to open. This is going to be a crossover with my Gorgeous Gardens of Utah channel because I'm going to use this Baja Hauler truck as a planter. We're going to give it a go with the pepper in a really small container. So let's open this baby up, shall we? We will not need to save any of this packaging. So off-grid delivery is what this one says. Baja Hauler. Here's all the different angles. And since it's plastic, I have no problem just drilling it out by hand here. Just like that. The front piece comes off. If only they were all that easy. Got the hole drilled through. That'll be the main drainage hole there. Hole right through the rivet slot there. We'll make it nice and even. Alright, there's our drainage holes. And down through the rivet there. I'll drill through the rivet there for the drainage hole in just a bit after the super glue has dried. Alrighty. The glue is all dry, it's nice and tight, and we'll drill out our last drainage hole there. Alright, we still have it glued in there. We have the other drainage holes that will drain from all the water coming down through those holes. Alright, if you want to see the conclusion of this one, you'll need to go over to the Gorgeous Gardens of Utah channel, link in the description.